Hey everyone, welcome back. So here we are, time for another giveaway. But before we get to the giveaway, I just wanted to say thank you to all of the subscribers, to all of the viewers. It's because of you that I am able to continue to have these giveaways and to keep the channel going. So thank you very much. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and click the bell if you want to be notified about future giveaways. Okay, let's get to the point. The giveaway. There's going to be 4 prizes this time around. We're going to have a 1280 megahertz ready-made RC patch antenna. We are going to have a TinyWhoop repair/build crash kit. So it's going to consist of the Inductrix replacement frame, some propellers, 3 packs of replacement motors, and a little canopy. Also, we're going to have a 25 milliwatt all-in-one camera and also a 200 milliwatt 40 channel video transmitter. And in addition to those, we'll have a Shendrones Tweaker FPV Addiction 4-inch frame. So those are the prizes this month. I hope you guys like them. Good luck. Quickly on the rules. You need to subscribe. You need to go into the description below and click on the link to the Gleam giveaway. Enter there. There will be several different things you can do to enter. Some of them are going to get you more entries than others, and some of them you can come back multiple times and do. The more items that you complete, the better your odds of winning are. The more days you come back and complete those items, the better your odds of winning are. See where this is going? Okay, so again, subscribe, follow the link to the Gleam entry form, enter there. I'm going to use that Gleam to draw the winners at the end, and then I'm going to verify that you're a subscriber to the channel. If both of those things line up and you happen to be one of the people that I drew, you'll receive an email stating that you won. At that time, you'll have 7 days to get back to me, and if you don't, I'll pick a next one. If you do, then you will have your prize. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this time. I hope you guys like these giveaways. I hope you like these videos and the other videos that I'm putting up, like the air show, the build videos, things like that. Let me know what you think about those videos. If you haven't seen them, check them out. Leave a comment down below of what you think about the items that I'm giving away, as well as what you think about the channel overall. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell. And I'll see you guys next time.